Today is about this Arrow exhaust. So after looking at a couple of YouTube videos, it seemed like it was quite easy to install. And I've got to say that's definitely true. So there's the original exhaust, and it's held on with one hanger bolt and then a clamp. There's the original clamp that came with the exhaust. So really it's about loosening that clamp at the bottom, loosening the hanger bolt, and then simply pulling off the original exhaust. Putting the new one on, and here it is here, is just the reverse. So you've got a clamp that is supplied with the exhaust there. So put the exhaust on. I didn't have to remove any of the pannier carriers. I just put the exhaust through the back here and slipped it on. I put the hanger bolt on loosely first, just to kind of hold it in place while I was tightening up the clamp. And that's it. It is really as simple as that. The only other piece is the Arrow little heat shield that gets put on afterwards. But other than that, that was it. Literally a 10-minute job. It is super simple, and yeah, really looks the part, especially with the black paint scheme of the Tiger. And that was it. So yeah, next up I'll take it for a little ride around to Findon J&S Accessories. Got to go do a couple of things there, and we'll see what it sounds like. All right.